Let's bring in our traders, Tim Anderson and Scott Bauer. Scott, are you seeing anything that could be the biggest indicator as to where the markets might go by the end of the year that would help our investor audience?
Let's take a look at tomorrow's consumer confidence number, Liz, because the bottom line is, we know that the consumer drives a very good portion of this economy. It has been really good lately, but if it starts to wane now because there's, a few more lockdowns, people aren't going back to work, the stimulus is not there, that is going to hit this economy. That is going to hit the market. And finally, maybe the market and the economy will start to work together. And that's the last thing that we want going into the fourth quarter, especially going into the holiday season, which we know is going to be extremely challenged as it is. So for me, it's really looking at the consumer and it's looking at jobs. And we'll get a good look at that tomorrow morning.
Well, the uncertainty, and I think Scott's right on that, there are a lot of things that we have to wait upon for data to give us a little bit more of a north, south, east, west direction. But